Ever thought of owning your own custom build, but are afraid of the risk associated with building it on your own? Well, welcome to Cleave Wood. This is an opportunity for you to be in the hands of professionals to help you design the finished product of your home and ultimately get you moved in within 12 months. So each plot measures roughly 20 by 14 metres across and is located in a luxurious gated development here in the outskirts of Bideford in North Devon. With rolling countryside views, each plot is roughly catered for around 2,000 square foot of accommodation. So each finished property features a driveway, carport and a beautiful roof terrace as well, which really takes in this stunning countryside scenery. Each property has 4 bedrooms, it has underfloor heating throughout and is rated a high B in energy efficiency. Of course, with any custom build, you can improve things to your own requirements and the final finishes are down to yourselves. So working in collaboration with Dan Wood, a renowned international home builder, we aim to get you to buy and move into your property within 12 months. With finance options available, you can either use the traditional methods or also you can buy the plot outright, which can save you up to £19,000 in stamp duty. If you're interested in a custom build like this, then give us a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.